Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix copying too slow in Windows 10 and 11. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Windows search bar on the bottom left and type Services. Then open this app. Then find Optimize Drivers. Then double-click on it. Then set its startup type to automatic. Then click on Apply and OK. Now close this app. Then right-click on Windows button. Then click on Windows PowerShell Admin button. Then paste this command. Then hit Enter. And that's how you fix copying too slow in Windows 10 and 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.